Here's how to clean these Yeezy Boost analogs. As you can see, they're a bit dirty on the uppers, midsoles, and soles as well. And we will use rejuvenated products in order to give these a quick clean and bring them back to life. We will start by using Rejuvenator's cleaning solution in order to clean the shoes. And then we will insert our shoe trees. And then we will start with our soft bristle brush in order to clean the uppers. We will then use our medium bristle brush in order to hit up the midsoles. And finally, we will use the stiff brush in order to hit up the soles. After the quick clean, we must uncrease these midsoles using a heat gun. You simply just apply the heat gun to the midsole area and it will uncrease. And here are the results from the quick clean and midsole uncrease on these Yeezy Boost analogs.